Hi guys, this is our fourth tutorial on the platform NHS e-learning platform. In this particular tutorial, we are going over the course management. So what we are going to cover is the quick overview of the course management, assessing the course details, and how to edit the course content, and also deleting the course if we want to. So let us hop over to our platform immediately and continue with the video. So we are back on the platform. As you can see, this is our dashboard. So we simply go to manage courses, which is what we are already on. And as you can see, this is showing published, but we are not seeing our course. It's saying no course is found. As you can see, what you are going to simply do is to sort it alphabetically, and then our courses will pop out. Why it's showing this is because the issue with that is the site is built in such a way that if you have a bad internet connection, it's going to work by caching all the information on the platform. So from here, we can see our course, because if we go back to recent, we are still seeing it. So this is just to refresh it. So we have successfully refreshed it. So we can see our course, which is physics. Then we can simply click on it. If you want to delete the course, let's say you want to remove it entirely, you can see this icon here. This icon, this delete icon, will allow you to delete the course. But since we don't want to delete it, we'll just leave it as it is. We'll just come down here to where it says physics. That is the name of the course. We'll just click on it. Boom. So we are going to see a whole lot of information here, but I don't want you to worry. Since this tutorial is the beginner's tutorial, I'll just show you all you need to do, which is editing the course. But if you want to access other details, I'll just do a quick overview. This is the administration. This is where you record and manage all your students. You can send all of them an email. You can do multiple things here, but this is for advanced users. I recommend you don't worry about this page for now. Then the next one is activity. You are going to see the different activities on the course. As you can see, 33 minutes ago, I published the course. That is Uncle Henry. This is our account. So a student enrolled, which is us, Uncle Henry. We enrolled to the course. Then submissions. This is for the assignments, the quizzes. This is the quiz. In case somebody answers that quiz, you can come here to evaluate. That's why I said if you wanted to do auto evaluation, you can come here and do that. So if I go to pending evaluation, I can see no members found because nobody has evaluated yet. And evaluation complete, you can see the people that have completed it. That is this evaluation complete. So this quiz, the same thing. As you can see, this is that quiz that we created in a previous video, multiple choice plus two question answered. You can see students that have answered the quiz. This is where you evaluate them. Then evaluation complete. Since the platform is the one evaluating, you don't have to worry about it. But if you are the one evaluating, this is where you come. You under your manage courses, the name of the course, submissions, and then you select quiz. You can see the pending evaluation and the completed evaluation. This is where you see them. Then the next one is assignments. You can also select the module, which is that assignments that we said, numerical problems on motions and electricity. The same thing, once submitted, you can see pending evaluation and evaluation complete. Then the next one is announcements and news. This is not that important, but if you have a news, maybe your students in their public are in public holidays and they are at home, you can send a public announcement. You can say, make sure to come back with your come back with calculator. So you can add that. If you want to add more details, you can just copy that and then paste the new, and then you click on create news. As you can see, boom, we have already created a news. So we can delete the news if we want to, or we can edit it. If we want to edit it, we can come here and edit the news. So we'll simply click on edit news. And the next one is reviews. You don't need to worry about this. This is just going to show what your students think about your course and how do they review it. Another important place is this questions and discussions. In this place is where you are going to receive questions on your course. This is where your students are going to ask you questions and you are going to answer it. This is going to show you all the questions they asked you on the course. So you, from time to time, I'll recommend you come to these questions and discussions, and then you click on it, and then you see pending. You have under pending, you have questions that your students are asking, so you can just answer them. Then the next one is statistics. As you can see, this is where you track the progress of your course, like how many students have enrolled, the average mark they got in the quiz and the assignment, then the certificate, how many people have completed it, total badges. You can simply refresh it. If you want to get accurate results, you can refresh. And then you can also generate more details. That all this is for advanced users. All I recommend for beginners is these tabs, this questions and discussion tab. I recommend it for beginners. This is where you answer questions. And then this last one, which is edit course. Once you click on edit course, this is important. This is where you edit any detail in the course that maybe you made a mistake and you want to edit it, you can set it. So let's change this. We made a mistake here. Course duration, we can set it as unlimited. So let's say 9999. Let's leave it as that. Duration, let's say it's gonna be years, 9999 years. So it's gonna be forever. That is unlimited. So let's add a brief description about our course. So this is physics for SS3 students. So these settings, now we have added that detailed description of the course. We can add that. All this information we can edit that. So once we finish editing, we move to advanced and we check out everything here and make sure is how we want it. Then we'll click on move to components. Our forum is still here. If it's not here, you can create a new one or you can edit it if you want to. So our curriculum, boom, our curriculum is how we want it. Let's say you want to come back and add an extra curriculum, you can also do that from here. So let us quickly add a new one. So let's add a new unit, which is going to be a video, which is going to be, let's name it edited video. We can just add this, and then for the video source we use our the video we have uploaded, which is this particular video, teachers training on this. So we have added that video. We can make it a free unit, and then on the way down here we click on add unit. We can simply add the unit. So once it's done adding, we can simply move over to accessibility. Boom, our edited video has been added. Another information I forgot to tell you is you can move it around. As you can see, let's say we don't want it to be under this section 3. We can just double tap it if you're on your phone, or simply drag it with your mouse. If you're on your laptop, you can drag it to section 2. So we simply drag it to this place. As you can see, it's now under here. See, we can drag this here, we can drag it. So everything is draggable. You can drag it if you want. So once we are done, we move to accessibility. Everything is how we want it. So click on publish. Then we wait for it to publish. Once it's done publishing, boom, we have done we are done editing it. So as you can see, we can just go to manage courses. We can see it from here. We go back. All our settings has been done. So let's check it out in the courses, all courses screen. So we'll go to all courses, and then we are going to see our own course, how it will be. As you can see, this is our course. This is how it is going to be, and this is how the students is going to see it. So let's go back to manage courses. No course is found Although we have published it, just simply change it to alphabetical. As you can see, we are seeing it here. As you can see, everything is how we want it. Remember, if you want to delete it, you just click on this icon here to delete the course. So thank you for watching this video. In this video, to do a quick overview, we edited the course. So that is how to edit the course in this video.